Kublai pi baro ki viewers kantame yagi Silva fans ki kun samla baro ki badang up kmilinti kumno bapin yo pan apply kam baper tiga nega kubor like kam shafi baro ki badang up kmilinti ya ta ti halor kani ka kubor like kam sngap ha beli jumut ha sngap ha bin pebin nadu basdang hadu bandakut ka video bapin sngutu kumno ban apply kumno banum apply ha e pide banle ki e kita giling kano teligi pus sngap ha no wan numpe tang ki thumbnail so wan sngap tang ki heading de sngap be bin pabin knang be pin kham sungthu kham shai hadin kata yole se phi don down lane phi im da sungthu shai pipla banbu igi comments ki jong phi hangta kain mo de kane kade ka khubolai kam kabala palai lomba ka SSC staff selection commission habe de ban ki graduate mo but the combined graduate level examination lane CGL jong snem ajaran phrio ingin page menta ya kani ka notification Tiki paralog in page menta ya kani khubor like kam apply da ka SSC kabde jong ki combined graduate level examination ajaran phrio kani gade ka notification the date of submission of online application kalau pli nadu arpoi tarik benai basan arjar apnrio adu arpa tarik benai banrio arjar apnrio kata kumumut si benai take but the last date and time for receive an online application kan day arpa tarik benai banrio nang ta last date and time of making online payment ban siu ya ka application fee kan day apply tarik benai banrio arjar apnrio nangta ka date of window of application form correction namta ba phinle ya ka correction yo le se phi bakla piduna ti kande ka arpnai tarik nai bahriu hadu shi tarik nai bahniu arhajar apnri mo ban ka schedule nakabenta ka computer based examination tier 1 kande habnai august hadu september ajar apnriu ban nagamta ka tier 2 pade kabde jongka computer based examination kan day December ajar apnri mo ban lada pikwa ban tip shushu ya ki jingtip ki babania subaban phone hakini ki helpline number parlok subaban yaisha kan khamjrong khandiat ka video wala taru snap ha te ngine payment nagamta ki detail of post hangne nagamta ki pay level 8 kata sapnyo hajar reus pa hadu shilak sankwei jar shispa ipus kilong kumne assistant audit officer angta assistant audit officer jong state cadre angte he kabankong ka de ka central cadre nangta kabalai pade assistant account officer jong state cadre nangta nakamta ka pay level 7 saupo 1000 khandai spa hadu shilak sof arjar sau spa ipus kilong kumne assistant section officer jongka intelligence bureau nangta assistant section officer jongka ministry of railways assistant section officer jongka ministry of external assistant section officer jongka AFHQ nangta assistant section officer jongka ministry of electronics and information technology assistant section officer jong the other ministries department organization inspector of income tax central board of direct tax inspector of central excise central board of indirect tax and custom nangta inspector preventive officer inspector examiner assistant enforcement officer sub-inspector inspector post but inspector jongka central bureau of narcotics ministry of finance tikibun ba ki post mo nangta pay level 6 live sanajar sauspa du chilak arjar sauspa hangeru kibun ba ki post assistant section officer other ministries department nangta executive assistant research assistant divisional accountant sub-inspector junior intelligence officer junior statistical officer, statistical investigator, grade 2, office superintendent, nangta section head. Nangta pay level 5. Kibakwa ban apply nangta ka pay level 5 arpnai jar spa du khandai po arajar lai spa kapus kandai auditor office under C&AG, auditor office under CGDA, nangta auditor under ministry, accountant office under C&AG, accountant control general of account, accountants junior accountant under ministry. Nangta pay level 4 apsan jarsan spa do praboya jarsi spa pada ki post kilong kumne postal assistant, sorting assistant, nangta senior secretariat assistant, upper division clerk, senior administrative assistant, tax assistant, jongka central board of direct tax, tax assistant, jongka central board of indirect tax, nangta sub inspector, jongka central bureau of narcotics, ministry of finance. Tiki snemru hangni ki babun kinde khatpra do arpunyo ndai ki don pade ki bah do lai puar kum kani kaya junior statistical officer kamut khatpra do lai puar nangta sub inspector junior intelligence officer khatpra do lai po te sa check bhamo kat kum ki snem hangni nama da puleru kan sa jrong than ti check handai ki babun ki dei khatpra do arpunyo but don ru hadu lai pyo do lai puar plus sans nem ka relaxation nam ta jungi ki asti kan mau ha sans nem te ka relaxation nam ta ki jungi ki asti kan dei be subu la da deh do ar punyo kumut adu lai pu ar ngidang la ada lai pu do lai san ada lai pu ar kumut do lai punyo ngidang la ban apply mangi ki schedule tribes mo nang ta vacancies and reservation the total number of vacancies ki don hadu khat ar hajar ar spa san phundutli ki post mo khat ar hajar ar spa san phundutli ki total vacancies halor ki ki nim o post lani ki kerteng jung ki post ba pher ki bangala de ban sngeu de nagata ka daun ong ki kon samla wan ong sab a lada phila pandep ya ga graduate lani bachelor degree sngeu ba apply be na ka benta ni ki post ba pher tang ba phia ban pensitam yelade da ka ba kre kot ba mo pen kre yelade na benta ka CBT computer based examination ndai kani ka SSC kamdon kam experience kamdon kam experience ndai piton kam ban pass ba exam ba pher ka tier 1 tier 2 te thila be ban cha select ti tangkom tahi hakabay day bat kani ka kubor laitkam tangkom tohi hakabay day bat kini ki kubor laitkam kermen pilas ngutu halor kita ki jing batai ki jing hikai ki jonga bat kumang ala juang na kapor sya kapor lada pidon down lada pimpat ngutu ya ino ibenta subhaban bu yai comments ki jong pi bat na karpar ru lada pidai badang tmai ha ka channel ki jonga wanam klep ban klik tiak yaitu bell icon bat kunjuru ban share seki parlok seki para samla lane ki para baya watkam kunju lagi degi bhaying asem ki kur ki jat ki khai ki man lane ki parlok para jor khanang ba makiru kinyo lan lada kimpat yu i yakini kubolai ka bless you